So let's talk about Tor hidden services. So what is Tor hidden services? So Tor hidden services are like the websites that open with .onion. As you can see, these all of the websites are at the end is .onion. So how it can be accessed via a .onion.any addresses which you can see in the URL bar or in this URL address. As you can see in these lots of websites that also offer a web service or other types of internet service that is accessible via the dot on your URL. So the real IP address is hidden behind a Tor circuit in order to run a hidden service. So you need to set up Tor as a normal install, then web server and whatever service it is that you want to present. Then there's all of those. So if you want to visit all of those let's go to a hidden wiki. So as you can see at the end is all of those website is .onion. So we don't have any website name like we see or like we used to see. So if you want to run a hidden service, you want to have a web server. So you want to make sure that it is secretly run, because if it's not, it could definitely leak the real IP address, which makes it pointless. As I have said previously that it could be used to set up a hidden service, and in fact, so that's all of those are hidden services running on like non-commercial link, and all of those commercial link, all of those onion link is in here. As you can see, this is the for dark mining. So you can get all of those in here. Now finding a tall hidden service can be a little bit tricky, as darknet is an indexed by the web services. So web search engines that we are used to, the popular sources of dark web or darknet is like .onion at the end, as you can see. So let's go to a drugstore. So all of those websites are at the end is .onion, and all of those websites are valuable, are verifiable websites. So all of those websites are legit. So you can also buy all of the stuffs in here. So there is no direct readable list of all hidden services, although a number of hidden services catalog publicly known on the addresses. So here is one search page, and this is the most popular web search places in here. So you can search any of the things that you want to search on darknet. So let's search for addresses. So hidden service list, so this will list all of those hidden service. So let's just randomly click and open one onion service. So let's see what this website is. So as you can see, it is for the gift card market. So this is also a reliable, and also game shop from eBay and all of those. As you can see, it's not fake or criminal activity website. As you can see, very good website. So as you can see, lots or thousands of hidden service list is in here. So you can also feature or carve. So this is another website for reliable credit card. As you can see, dark store verified. So lots of those hidden services websites are in here. So make sure you go and visit this and check that out. So I think it's from Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin generator. So you can enter your Bitcoin wallet and just get Bitcoin 0. Let's try 0.1. So you have to have a Bitcoin address. Then people who recently used, so as you can see, received all of those Bitcoins in here. So you only have 1 in 10 minutes. I think, as you can see, time limit is running. So all of those hidden services are available in here, and lots of adults services. So there are also some websites in here like Bitcoin, Anonymity, Drugstore, more commercial like dark web hackers to hire that we see in movies. So similarly like this, we have all of those in here. As you can see, you can social media attack, Reddit, Instagram, DDoS attack on a website for 1 month is like 900 USD dollars. So all of those, I'm not recommend you to do all of those stuff, but I'm just showing you that these websites are legit and verifiable. So in this hidden wiki, although there are many sites that claim to be hidden wiki, but the real censorship is hidden wiki. Can be very careful when you click all of those websites, so you must be very careful. You have to be concerned and cautious about this website. Make sure you visit and description and then go to their websites. So because if you click a random website, you could end up in a place that you don't want to go, because it's on the uncensored zone and it is generally a good stuff for security, privacy and anonymity. But also there are some places or some websites that are for uncensored, so you make sure you don't visit those websites. So there's all of those hidden service and websites. Like let's search for, so we can, this is the best web service search services in here. So all of those websites will redirect to this Onion website. So as you can see there, these are the marketplace of digital products, bills, similar as money transfer, gift card, Amazon gift card. So lots of services are in here. So the main idea is to help you to get those knowledge about how this dark web or darknet usually work on Tor browser, and also make sure you select a new circuit, or after visiting a page you just create a new identity so that you are safe from being hacked in this. And always, one thing that I always tell, don't full screen your Tor browser. So if you full screen your Tor browser, your machine then can be vulnerable to hack. So make sure you always as half shot or minimized version of Tor browser so that it cannot be hacked. So that's all about the Tor hidden services.